In this video, I'm going to show you how to get legacy shapes in Photoshop. If you've recently installed a newer version of Adobe Photoshop and noticed that a lot of the classic shapes are missing, don't worry, they haven't been removed permanently. Adobe simply hides them by default in newer versions of Photoshop. The good news is that you can enable them in just a few clicks. Once enabled, you'll get access to a huge library of classic Photoshop shapes that many designers have used for years, including arrows, banners, animals, symbols, and many other useful design elements. This is especially helpful if you're following older Photoshop tutorials or working with design templates that rely on those original shapes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to enable legacy shapes quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, look at the top menu bar. What we want to do first is open the Shapes panel because that's where all the shape libraries are managed. To do this, go to the top menu and click on Window. When the drop-down menu appears, scroll down until you see Shapes and click on it. As soon as you do this, the Shapes panel will appear somewhere in your workspace. If you already had it open, it will simply become active. Inside this panel, you'll see the default shape folders that Photoshop provides. However, the older classic shapes are not visible yet, and that's what we're going to enable next. Now, look at the top right corner of the Shapes panel. You'll see a small menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the panel menu. This menu contains additional options for managing shape libraries. When the menu opens, look through the list until you find the option called Legacy Shapes and More. This is the setting that restores the classic Photoshop shapes from older versions of the software. Once you see it, simply click on Legacy Shapes and More. Photoshop will instantly load the full legacy shape library into your Shapes panel. Now, if you look inside the Shapes panel again, you'll notice a brand new folder called Legacy Shapes and More. Go ahead and expand that folder. Inside, you'll find multiple categories of the classic shapes that used to ship with Photoshop. These include arrows, animals, banners, symbols, talk bubbles, and many other design elements. You can now use these shapes exactly like any other Photoshop shape. Just select the shape tool, choose the shape you want from the panel, and click or drag on your canvas to add it to your design. A quick tip here is that you can favorite or group the shapes you use most often, so they're easier to find later. The Legacy folder contains a lot of the shapes, so organizing them can save you time during your design workflow, and that's all there is to it. That's how you enable legacy shapes in Adobe Photoshop and restore all the classic shapes in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.